I was injured when I was 16 years old while I was tumbling. I'd been a gymnast since I was 3 years old. The grass was wet that morning and my feet slipped out from underneath me. So I sustained a C6-7 spinal cord injury. I went from a 16-year-old who was very independent, I was already driving at the time, to a 16-year-old who was absolutely, completely reliant on everyone around me. My first contact with Superior was probably about 20 years ago. 3 years after my injury, I began driving, and that just opened up a whole new world of independence for me. I was able to drive to college, I was able to drive to part-time jobs, and yeah, it was a game changer being able to drive. I definitely remember the first time I started driving with the hand controls. Such a big step towards independence. The people that work here are just absolutely incredible. I know I can trust them. It's not like when I go to a dealership and drop off my van and they have, first of all, no clue what to even do with it, but I never know if I'm going to be taken for a ride, and I know that they're not going to do that here. So there's just always a sense of security coming here. You know, Braun products are so good. I just always go with Braun because I really trust them. They've worked so well for me. It's the hand controls that I have, I think is easy for me because it doesn't tire me. I can drive all day long, I can drive long distances, and I can do that without worrying about fatiguing myself. I'm Jenny and I'm a Superior customer.